Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to embed a LinkedIn feed on a Shopify website. Step 1. Create your widget. Start by opening the Mirror app website. Sign up or log in if you already have an account. Then click Create New Widget. Choose LinkedIn feed from the widget options. Step 2. Customize the design. Select the source you want to connect and go to the Design section to edit what you want to display on your website. Once your feed is connected, you can customize how it looks. Adjust the layout, card style, spacing, and other design settings to match your website. When everything looks right, click the Publish button and copy the installation code in just one click. Step 3. Add it to Shopify. Option 1. Add it to one page. Now, log into your Shopify account, go to the Online Store section, and click Edit Theme. Open the page where you want the feed to appear. Then add a section or create a new one where you want to place the widget. Click Add Section or Add Block, then select Custom.Liquid. Paste the installation code from Mirror app into the Liquid code block and save your changes. All set! Your LinkedIn feed should now appear on that page. Option 2. Add it to all pages. If you want to show the widget across your entire Shopify website, open Online Store, click the three dots, and select Edit Code from the menu. In the editor, open Layout and choose Theme.Liquid. Then find the place where you want to add the widget, paste the installation code from Mirror app, and click Save. That's it. The widget will now appear in that location across all pages of your website. Option 3. Add it to one product card. Go to the Products section and choose the product where you want to place your widget. In the description field, enable the Show HTML option and paste the code wherever you want it to appear. Done. Your LinkedIn widget will now appear when that selected product page is opened. Option 4. Add it to all product cards. If you want to show the widget across all your product cards, open Online Store, click the three dots, and select Edit Code from the menu. In the editor, open Sections and find product-information.liquid. Then choose the place where you want to add the widget, paste the installation code from Mirror app, and click Save. Great! The widget will now appear on every product page on your website. Please note that some custom code options in Shopify may depend on your current plan. For more information, visit our Help Center and explore the links in the description.